Hello everyone, welcome back to Julie64. So in today's video I'm going to be making Captain Breach from the 64th Legion out of LEGO. So if you're not on the 64th Legion server on the Discord, then basically Captain Breach is like second in command of the entire 64th Legion. It's taken me definitely way too long to actually start making him. Today that's what we're going to do. By the way guys, if you're new around here, then make sure to smash that subscribe button for loads more content just like this. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So if we have a little look at Captain Breach's design on screen here, you can see the legs are definitely the most simple. So let's start off with those. We could do the torso and the helmet, and then we do the extra stuff such as the Karma, the pauldron, and there's a load of straps and stuff going on there, and also the visor on the helmet. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so this is what we've done so far. So the legs are pretty much 100% finished. There's literally nothing else I need to do on there, so that's all good. The body I'm just painting out the extra parts added, and the helmet I have not started yet. By the way, if you are wondering, this was a 501st Trooper that I've now converted into a plain clone trooper for this purpose. Okay, so here's the helmet so far, and I absolutely love the green visor look. I think it just looks so cool, and yeah. And now it's actually time to add some of the blue markings onto these pieces. Here's a little update on what we've done so far, and yeah, definitely still a lot to do, but some good progress. Okay, so it's actually now the next day because I kind of got a bit busy and maybe like ran out of time. So we've actually finished all the main body painting on this figure, and so now it's time to do like the accessories like the Karmas, the pauldrons and all that stuff. So yeah, let's go. So the way that we're doing like the pauldrons and the Karmas and stuff is using this fabric. So basically just going to cut out our designs and they will just fit on like much like normal Lego minifigure capes. If you want to see how to make these in more depth, I do have a tutorial linked in the description below, so make sure you go check that out. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so we've completed the Karma, and yeah, it's looking really nice. Now it's just time to do the pauldron, and then we need to do the straps that connect everything together, and then they need to be painted, and then we can move on to the visor. So for the pauldron, I think I'm going to use like a different color fabric to do the actual colored bit on here. You can see me in the reflection as well, but we're meant to be looking at this pauldron. So yeah, just going to like cut out the black pauldron and then add this on top of it. Okay, so here are all the fabric elements, and it's actually looking really good. I also had to do these little lines on the helmet that I forgot about earlier as well. So now the only steps left is to add this visor on, a little antenna, and I also need to do a few accessories such as ammo pouches and stuff like that. And I've also forgotten to do the arms, so I definitely need to do that. Okay, so all our pots are kind of in random places at the moment, especially this one right here. So I think we're pretty much done. We just need to do a few things like ammo pouches, and that obviously might mess up the arms when I put them back on. And need to glue on the visor, but apart from that, I think we're all good. Here we have our finished figure, and it's looking so awesome. Like, look at that. I think all the fabric bits worked out really well, and the overall paint job is just really awesome. So props to Captain Breach who made this design, and it's great to see it in Lego as well. So guys, that just about concludes this video. It's definitely a really fun experience making such an important character in the 64th Legion this late. Like, that's crazy. So that's goodbye for me from now, and I'll see you in the next video.